sorry,
Ang
Mr. Chair.
tinatanong ko, whether your deponent ay walk-in, nag-volunteer ng sarili niya, o hinanap ninyo. Hindi ko tinatanong kung anong paniwala mo.
Not walk-in, Mr. Chair. It was
Ano
not
nga?
There was a handler, Mr. Chair, an agent.
Sino
police.
yung handler na pulis na yon?
He was already retired, Mr. Chair.
Ang galing
I
mong
believe.
gumawa ng istorya eh. Major Laraga, kasasabi lang ng mga officials doon, ni wala silang bisita na ganun, ni hindi sila nagkaroon ng PDL na ganun. You are lying!
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, but I cannot...
Mr. Chair, may I respectfully move that we cite Major Laraga in contempt? Yes. Major Laraga, how long have you been with CIDG?
Since 8 years.
8
almost 8 years, Mr. Chair.
8 years.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And how many times have you applied for a search warrant?
Several times already, Mr. Chair.
Several times.
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
Now, may I know kung yung deponent ninyo dun sa kaso ni Mayor Espinosa ay walk-in o kayo ang nag-secure?
I believe there was a...
Ano ang talagang nangyari? Hindi ko
May-
tinatanong kung ano yung paniwala mo.
Pardon, I'm sorry,
Ang
Mr. Chair.
tinatanong ko, whether your deponent ay walk-in, nag-volunteer ng sarili niya, o hinanap ninyo. Hindi ko tinatanong kung anong paniwala mo.
Yes, sir. It was not walk-in, Mr. Chair. It was
Ano
not
nga? Nag-volunteer siya?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hinanap niyo siya?
Our
How
police,
did you
there was a
come to know
police,
your
police
deponent?
handler. There was a police handler, Mr. Chair.
Ano, no?
There was a handler, Mr. Chair, an agent.
Sino
police.
yung handler na pulis na yon?
He was already retired, Mr. Chair.
Ang galing
I
mong
believe.
gumawa ng istorya eh.
Yes, I'm certain,
Now,
Mr. Chair.
Sige, assuming na mayroon siyang handler, since when na naging handler yung kuha na yun, informant nyo na yun, yung deponent? Binubola mo na ako eh.
Hindi, actually, hindi naman po, Mr. Chair, na bubola, Mr. Chair. Talagang mayroon lang po talaga siyang personal knowledge sa
Hindi ko naman tinatanong
pangyayari.
kung may personal knowledge eh. Ang tinatanong ko, how did you come to know the deponent? Ikaw nag-apply ng search warrant eh.
It was introduced to me by our personnel, Mr. Chair. That
Sino
mayroong
nga yung nag-introduce sa'yo? What's the name?
of our personnel, Mr. Chair.
Oo nga. Marunong ka bang umintindi ng English? Tatagalugin ko. Sino ang nag-introduce sa'yo nung deponent?
It was retired Kayubit, Mr. Chair.
Alin? Retired na siya nung in-introduce niya?
No, right
Active
now.
pa siya noon?
Active pa siya noon at that
May I
time.
know the name and the address?
Melvin Kayubit, Mr. Chair, at Palo
Alin?
Leyte.
Ano?
Melvin Kayubit.
Mr. Chair, may I move that we, in the next hearing, we invite subject person mentioned by Major Laraga as the deponent in the search warrant against or issued against the late Mayor Espinosa.
Comsec, you are directed to invite the said person named by Congressman Ako.
Nung ipinakilala sa iyo yung deponent, ano ang protocol dapat kung si IDG ka for 8 years?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I have to, of course, the investigator must interview and do a background and validation, Mr. Chair.
You have to conduct a review,
Interview
and validation.
And validation of the
Ikaw.
the investigator, Mr. Chair, our investigator who will get the
And who
testimony.
was the investigator who conducted the review, the interview and validation?
It was, Mr. Chair, can I check the record first?
You check it now.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ito. Wala naman.
Hindi ko alam kung saan mo checkin ihon. Niloloko mo na kami eh.
I'm sorry, Mr. Baka magkamali ako dun sa pangalan, Mr.
Sige
Chair.
nga, hanapin mo. Saan mo hanapin dyan?
Mr. Chair, I could not, if my recollection is correct, Mr. Chair, it was PO3 Johnny Ibanez.
PO3 Johnny
Ibanez,
Ibanez.
Mr. Chair.
Is he still in the active service?
I believe he already also retired, Mr. Chair.
He also retired.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
PO3 siya, nag-retire?
Yes, Mr. Chair, PO3.
PO3. Nag-retire siya, mandatory or optional?
I think
Kasi
it's optional.
PO3 siya,
I think,
kailan lang
I think
nangyari
it's
yun,
optional.
Iho eh. So wala pa siyang 20 years o 30 years or 56 years old.
Yes, Mr. Chair, maybe optional, Mr. Chair.
Optional. Huwag mo ako paglulukuhin ha. I'll find a way. Colonel Cunanan, will you please take the name dun sa sinabi niya and kindly give this committee the details whether nag-retire nga siya optionally o hindi? Pakitanong sa kanya yung pangalan at ranko. Kasi the way you're answering me, you're already quibbling, Major Laraga. Now, noong in-interview at saka validate, ikaw ba nag-conduct ng sarili mong validation when the investigator reported to you as far as his validation is concerned?
Negative, Mr. Chair.
Negative. Wala ka nang ginawa. Hindi ka man lang
Informally, Mr. Chair.
I beg your pardon?
Informally, just calling some,
Hindi mo tinignan kung anong resulta ng validation?
tinignan naman po, Mr. Chair.
And you did not find it unreasonable na isang dating PDL nagsasabi ng may baril yung isang PDL sa ibang detention center?
Credible naman po yung binabanggit ng
Credible
deponent,
sa'yo?
Mr. Chair.
Credible sa'yo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ang galing mong sumagot, pero yung bagay na yon is credible sa'yo.
Oo naman, Mr. Chair.
Paano maging credible yun? Paano niya nalaman na merong baril si Mayor Espinosa doon sa Kwan?
Meron po siyang personal knowledge doon, Mr. Chair.
Ano nga? You define personal knowledge to me.
Personally po, nagkaharap po sila ni...
Paano sila nagkaharap?
I cannot discuss the details. It should be
Why
the
can't you
deponent,
not
Mr.
discuss?
Chair.
Ikaw ang nag-apply eh.
I
Chair?
endorsed in the application, Mr. Chair, I endorsed the
Hindi nga,
testimony of
tinatanong nga
the
kita.
sworn affidavit.
Nung nag-report sa iyo, hindi mo ba napansin kung reasonable o unreasonable yung validation? Kasi dapat magsuspecha ka na paano nakapagbibigay yung isang tao na dating PDL pero hindi naman PDL sa baybay ng statement na may baril si the late Mayor Espinosa doon sa selda niya.
Mr. Chair, kasi nakapasok daw siya doon, sir. At saka may contact,
Masasabi lang
may
ng-
connection naman sila.
Major Laraga, kasasabi lang ng mga officials doon, ni wala silang bisita na ganon, ni hindi sila nagkaroon ng PDL na ganon. You are lying!
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, but I cannot...
Mr. Chair, may I respectfully move that we cite Major Laraga in contempt for
Seconded.
violation of Section 11.
Seconded.
There's a
So
motion.
move, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to cite Major Laraga in contempt for violating Section 11
Seconded.
and duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, you are now cited in contempt, Major Laraga. Comsec? Take note.
Second motion, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
May I respectfully move that Major Laraga will be detained in the Quezon City Jail in a period of until the committee report will be approved in the plenary, Mr. Chairman. So move.
There's a motion to detain Major Laraga at the Quezon City Jail until the termination of the committee hearing and the approval of the committee report in the plenary. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none. The motion is approved.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens.
Ayon kay Billy Boyet, lahat ng PNP officers or personnel who are caught lying and cited in contempt in a legislative should be dismissed dishonorably for dishonesty in the performance of his duties and responsibilities and treason. Pahayag naman ni Arturo Bayang, all those involved must be dishonorably discharged and criminal complaint must be filed in court. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Julita Julita, mas mahirap magsinungaling kaysa magsabi ng katotohanan, the truth will always prevail. Saludo ako sa Quadcom sa mga ginagawa nila. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.